To prepare phenyl benzoate from phenol, this is the reaction which is carried out. This reaction is called as Shorten and Bowman reaction. We require phenol, benzoyl chloride, and in the presence of a strong base such as sodium hydroxide, we will be preparing phenyl benzoate. So we require some chemicals, that is 10% sodium hydroxide, which will be acting as a strong base. Then phenol 3 grams, 3 ml we will be taking, as its density is 1.07 grams, and benzoyl chloride 2 ml. For that we need a iodine flask. So in an iodine flask, we are taking 3 ml of phenol, which is around 2 ml. We'll add 1 ml more. To the iodine flask containing phenol, we will add 15 ml of sodium hydroxide and 2 ml of benzoyl chloride. We have to make this addition very carefully. So 2 ml we have added, and now we will close this lid and shake the solution continuously, vigorously for 15 minutes. And in between we have to release this, because the reaction is exothermic. After 15 minutes, you can see product formed in the iodine flask. This is the crude product of phenyl benzoate. Now we will filter this off and collect our crude sample. Now we will collect our crude on a funnel by just filtration. This is the crude of phenyl benzoate. Now this we will be recrystallizing it to obtain pure crystals, and then we will be finding out the melting point. The crystals approximately are around 3 to 3.5 grams.